So, welcome back to another Random Hobby Channel. At dahil ginahol tayo sa oras, hindi tayo nakabukas ng Kamigawa, magbubukas ulit tayo ng isang Edge of Eternities at Kamigawa naman this time. Kasi, woo! Ancient Tomb! Yay! So, kuha lang tayo dito sa isang Edge of Eternities booster at isa na ito. Upang ang kaya lang natin sa 3 minutes by yapping and cracking is 2 packs each. But yeah, not bad. Oh my god, Ancient Tomb, Duckworth Drone, Embrace Oblivion. Gusto ko yung bracelet, Self-Craft Mechan, Zookeeper Mechan, Germinating Worm, nice. My Gruul, Radiant Strike, Red Tiger Mechan, Blade of the Swarm, Annul, Lashwi Predator, Sunstar Expansionist, Unsir Fondam, Sunstar Exemplar, nice. Tapestry Warden, and our Mountain on Lander. Sana makakuha rin tayo nung 100 hit na spaceship or something. So, next is our Kamigawa. An old set. September ata darating si Spider-Man, pero yeah. Mga pre-release lang kinuha natin. Wow, so nice. Love the art. Sunblade Samurai. Kami's Flare. Sulit. Mukotai Ambusher, Sarat, Aki Warpaint, Mirror Shellcrab, Beldavile, Ninja's Connect. Ang gaganda rin kasi ng mga land dito, yung mga full art land, kaya binili ko to. Kaitos Pursuit, Bamboo Grove Archer, Fall of the Lord Konda, Fragment of Konda, High Speed Hoverbike. Tsaka feeling ko bagay siya sa Edge of Eternities kasi medyo spacey ang dating. Okiba Salvage, Sky Blessed Samurai, and Tameshi Reality Architect. Looks nice. Oh, nice! This is what I paid for, the land. So, that's all. Medyo okay, so lala. But yeah.